This is the Ridgid 3/4 horsepower pump. It does 48 gallons per minute. The one thing that I like about this is the toggle switch here is plastic. And it looks to be on a better switch mechanism. The only thing that worries me is this is going to turn on and off roughly about three times every minute, depending on how well this thing pumps it out and how much water flow we have. But right now, with it being really wet and the snow somewhat melting, we're going to put this thing through a workout. You can hear from my sub pump back here, the pedestal pump. The toggle switch is going out. I believe the metal in the switch mechanism is actually starting to break. So we're going to replace it with this. I'll give a review on it after a month or so of how it's holding up. But you can tell this switches on and off quite a lot in our sub pump. My only concern is we have a lot of rust in our water. But eventually I want to try and get this water out and get it to the gardens and get it also and possibly maybe water some animals with it. I mean, it's just regular water. It's just not super deep. I believe we're 7 feet in the ground, and that pit's another 2 feet down. So at 9 feet, we're at water table basically. I don't understand when they built the house that they went so deep. The neighbors had said that the contractor actually talked to them, and every single one of the neighbors said, don't go that deep. The homeowner, or the previous homeowner, the people that built this house, said, we don't care, it passed perk, and we're going to go that deep. So if we didn't have a sub pump, the basement will actually fill up past the bottom step in the stairs. So it gets quite a bit of water down here if you don't have something going. And see right there, it just decided not to work until just now. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this one. It looks to have a better toggle switch system. I want to see if I can repair that one. I'll get that in a later video on a repair. But it's also under warranty, so I'm going to call them up and see what they'll do about it. But right now my battery backup's running and the sub pump is running. So that's why it's so noisy right now. I should have enough time when this drains out that my battery backup will hold me over till I get this new one put in. But I have to be ready to get this installed very quickly. So let's jump into that project right now. say ultra quiet, they definitely mean it. This is C.F.F. Thanks for watching. So we're going to go with it and see how it works out. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family. And we'll see you next time when I give you the update.